What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I am your crypto computer guy, crypto computer man. Today we're having a look at one of these cheats. Everything looks a lot worse, a lot dirtier as soon as I get it on camera. Maybe that's what I'll have to do to clean my house up. I'll go around the house with the camera, and whatever doesn't look good, I'll clean. But yeah, remember this horrible piece of junk? This is a memory card from the original fat Xbox 360. This is 256 megabytes. And you can see here we're getting into the time when they don't use Phillips screws anymore. Everything's all clasps and glue gaskets. So I'm not going to be able to get this off on cam. I'm going to have to fight with it off cam for a bit. But just a heads up, be right back. Alright, nothing a few smacks with a mallet can't fix. So let's have a look in here. Not a lot to see. Looks like a lot of the other memory cards I've seen. Interesting, I'm not seeing a battery. Samsung chips in all of these things. This looks a lot like the PlayStation 2 and 1 memory cards that I popped out. Interesting, it looks like they could have just as easily made this a USB, or at least it is a USB connection. So that's what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for joining me. Another one from Nev's Tech Picture. Have a good one. Bye-bye.